What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are putting PPF on this brand new 2024 Mustang 5.0. It's actually Jay's, our shop manager. So let's show you how we did it. Alright, so first things first, I gotta go ahead and weed out this PPF so we can go ahead and start installing. So I got it wiped down. I just wanted to double check the edges and everything. And then I did a little gel pre-spray to pull out any additional contamination. So then, you know, the gel can kind of do its thing and pull it out there while we're spraying down the board. And then I'll come back over here and I'll rinse it out and we'll throw the piece on. About to just put this fender on. I had to turn away from the AC because I don't want that to blow any dirt or anything on this. You know, it's the little things that could actually make a big difference, you know, good or bad. So the first thing that I'm going to be focusing on here is I want to get this edge right here lined up. So then once all those points are locked in and good to go, then I can just stretch this way all the way up to the point. It just seems like the easiest way to do it. You can kind of just work every fender that same way. Now that I got it all squeegeed out and everything, I'm just rinsing out the edges, give it a quick wipe down, make sure I didn't miss anything or there's no crazy bubbles or anything. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start tucking the edges. Hopefully we can make the other fender look as good as this one does. All right, so we got both fenders installed. I'm waiting for the edges to dry. Some of them wouldn't quite tuck yet. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bulk hood. I got the vent pre-sprayed and we're gonna throw the piece up on the board and let's just get it put on there, I guess. All right, so I got the hood squeegeed out. I was fighting with it so much for some reason, I don't know. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the trimming. And yeah, that's makes me feel real good, Mitch. Thank you so much. It's day 2 on this thing, on Jay's Mustang. We got the rockers done and we got the A-pillar, the leading edge, all that stuff. It's pretty much just the bumper and Dan's gonna be knocking that out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the reflectors real quick and then you know, I have another vinyl job I gotta hop on. So I think Dan's gonna be hosting you guys for the rest of the video, but you know, good luck.
How you liking it so far?
Liking it a lot.
Yeah?
It's a great car.
Why did you choose PPF?
You know, keep it protected, brand new car, being a 2024. Obviously don't want all the scratches, it's great. I drive fast as shit, so.
Right. What do you think the big difference is between ceramic and PPF?
Well, the ceramic's gonna make it a lot easier to clean, it's hydrophobic, but the film's actually gonna protect the paint. So it's meant to be self-healing, so.
Can you tell me the big differences between 8 and 10 mil?
Yes, just the thickness, it's the same awesome warranty, 10 years. But yeah, it's just the level of protection, just that safeguard.
All right, here we go.
First here.
First, get the old gel all up in these cracks. Get all this stuff flushed out. Don't want none of that crap in our install. Pretty good. A lot going on here with this front bumper. Wasn't the easiest of bumpers to install. Of course, I just installed the main piece. Overall, she went pretty good.
Usually half the stuff that he says makes no sense, but once in a while he can actually be helping with his words. Don't tell him I said that though, I don't want to give him any credit.
So everybody knows to watch out for Jay. You never know what he's gonna do.
Yeah. We got Mitch going out there as a distraction. Keep Jay from coming in here and seeing us doing this.
Yep. What's up, bud?
Got a question? Ah, look at that. Yeah, let's go ahead and leave that there.
Leave it up.
That's funny.
Equipped with the brushstrokes, cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that when
All right, guys, so we got this 5.0 all PPF'd, all finished up. We're just giving it a look over and doing the usual, you know, making sure all the edges are good. There's no contamination, no bubbles, no lifting. We want this to stay good looking down the road, especially since it's Jay's. We got to see him every day, and he's going to give us a hard time if we don't do it right. So we really got to make sure that, you know, quality is top of the line when it leaves here at White Glove. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then this thing is good to go for Jay. So until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.
Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah.